Hey guys, Professor Mike here. Welcome backward to the channel. Had to do a voiceover on this clip. As I was taking the video, the wind was just insane and you can barely even hear me. But as you can see, I just did the fog lights, and that fog light on the right is way brighter and way wider than the original fog lights that I had. So basically what I did was I was able to go in through the wheel liner, and I'll show you right here under the wheel liner, and I was able to pry and pop the old fog light out and then put the new one in. Very difficult just getting the fog light out. As you see, here's the old fog light, and it's pretty ripped and it's pretty cracked, and the new one just looks so much better, looks so much cleaner, so much nicer. And so yeah, so this is the whole video of like how I did it and everything, and we're gonna jump right into it. But as you can see, this is the new fog lights. This is the smoked lens ones. I think they look way cooler and way more sleek than the stock fog lights. All right, so I got it done, and I am absolutely filthy. Like, this was actually kind of a pain in the just getting it out was hard, because this piece right here and this piece right here is like stuck, so you have to pry it. You have to try to pry it out with a flathead. It's just so hard to get out. The reason why I changed the actual housing out is because they're cracked, as you can see here. So I just went ahead and got blacked out ones, and I think the smoked looks so cool. And they're not halogen anymore. So the way they actually worked was, the way they actually got put in was I was able to get one of these. It came with one of these, and then it had this. It had a spring and it had screw, and basically the spring was like this and the screw was through it, and I was able to unscrew it, take the spring out, and then unplug this part from underneath and then pry this out. The worst part was prying it out. That was the hardest part of it all. But as you can see, if I look from back here, it just looks so much better. It's like smoked, all blacked out, and the light output's great. I don't know if it needs to be adjusted yet. Let's go this side. So we will see if they need to be adjusted, because it's too light outside to tell. So if I had them up against the wall, then I'd be able to, you know, check to see. But as of right now, I'm just so tired I can barely even talk. It was tiring, but looks good. As you can see right here, I got fingerprints all over it though, but you can see the LEDs in there. They're yellow. It's kind of hard to tell. This one little thing I have to do is, see, this side is good, but this side right here, there's a gap here, so I have to just raise it up. So I'm just gonna do that real quick and just push it up a little bit. I'm gonna unscrew it from the bottom and push it up and fill in that gap a little bit so it's centered. So yeah guys, that is the final product, and I'm gonna go ahead and get a video of the nighttime so you can really see what it looks like at night. And it kind of looks weird because I have these stock headlights, but those are gonna be changed out soon. So because those are smoked on the bottom, and then the headlights are not. So once the headlights, I get the smoked headlights, the Alpha X, this is gonna be a beast. So one more look how it looks here, and I went ahead and adjusted them there. But we'll just have to adjust the lighting if I tilt it down or up based on, you know, how it looks on the wall. So at night I'm going to go to a wall and shine the fog lights on them and see if they're level or not. They probably aren't. I'm gonna have to probably do some modifications just to tighten it up or loosen it to get it leveled, but that's how it looks. So let's go ahead and fast forward to the nighttime. All right, so it is the nighttime, and as you can see, there is a huge difference, and the light output is insane. I mean, look at this. This was never this bright with the halogen bulbs. It's actually really bright, and if you look into it, it's gonna blind you. It's a good thing they point down. and you can clearly see that it's white and the headlights are halogen, that orange color. But this is how it looks right here. And if I stand in front of it, this is it right here. And not only is it bright and it shoots far, but it also shoots out wide. I mean, this is the truck, and look how wide it goes to this tree. Like extremely, extremely wide. And that thing goes, and it goes all the way down that way. So it's like way out. So if you're like on like a country road, like a dark dirt road, I mean, you can see way, way out on the side of you, which is what fog lights are made for. They're supposed to be, you know, wide, while your headlights are supposed to beam forward. So this is what it looks like. When I turn the brights on, they turn off, and then turn them on. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn the brights. I'm gonna turn them off and on. So that's them on, and then brights off, the fog lights turn back on. So perfect. But yeah, I just wanted to come out here and, you know, show you guys. These are $50 fog lights, or $56 on Amazon. I saw a review of the Morimoto ones, and the Morimoto ones and these ones looked identical. The output was identical, and there's no point in spending $200 on fog lights when you can get the same ones on Amazon for $55. So you can literally buy 4 of them, and it'll be the same amount as a Morimoto. But next up, got to get the Alpha X headlights, because this is not matching, as you can see. So that would be hopefully coming up soon. Once I get that, then the light output's going to be really insane. It's going to look so cool at night. And just these fog lights alone look awesome. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, leave a comment down below. Like, subscribe. More videos to come. Wow, I just can't get over how look at that. This is so bright, and it's so awesome. Way better than the stock halogen. So like I said, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and we'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace out.